Hey there, IdeaPlex creators. Ever felt like email marketing is a bit overwhelming? Like you're spending hours crafting the perfect email only to see it get lost in the abyss of your subscribers' inboxes? Well, what if I told you there's a tool that can make email marketing effortless, effective, and even fun? That's right. Today we're diving into MailCheetah AI, the email marketing platform that's changing the game for businesses like yours. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll see why this might just be the secret weapon your business needs. Imagine sending out an email that actually gets opened, read, and, most importantly, clicked. With MailCheetah AI, you don't need to be a copywriting guru or spend hours tweaking subject lines. This AI does the heavy lifting for you. First things first, what is MailCheetah AI? Simply put, it's an all-in-one email marketing platform designed to help you create, send, and track email campaigns like a pro. But here's the kicker. It's powered by artificial intelligence, which means it's smarter, faster, and more intuitive than your average email tool. Whether you're a small business owner, a marketer, or just someone looking to grow your audience, MailCheetah AI has something for you. MailCheetah AI combines deep learning with behavioral analytics to craft emails that resonate with your audience. It offers a one-time payment model starting at $49. Providing access to features such as unlimited landing pages, forms, and a drag-and-drop editor. Let's start with the dashboard. Clean, simple, and easy to navigate. Exactly what you need when you're juggling a million tasks. From here, you can create campaigns, manage your subscriber lists, and track your performance all in one place. But what really sets MailCheetah AI apart is its AI-powered features. For example, their smart campaigns use machine learning to optimize your send times, ensuring your emails land in your subscribers' inboxes at the perfect moment. No more guessing games. Now, let's talk about email creation. We all know how time-consuming it can be to design an email from scratch. But with MailCheetah AI's drag-and-drop editor and pre-designed templates, you can create stunning emails in minutes. And here's where it gets even better. Their AI can analyze your content and suggest improvements to boost engagement. Think subject line tweaks, personalized recommendations, and even A/B testing, all designed to help you get the best results. Of course, what good is an email campaign if you can't measure its success? That's where MailCheetah AI's analytics come in. You'll get real-time insights into your open rates, click-through rates, and conversions, but it doesn't stop there. The platform also provides actionable recommendations to help you improve future campaigns. It's like having a personal email marketing coach, minus the hefty price tag. But don't just take my word for it. Companies using MailCheetah AI have seen open rates skyrocket by 40% and click-through rates double. This is a game changer for anyone who wants to save time and maintain consistency in their email campaigns. First, let's talk about creating a new email template. Head over to the Templates section in your dashboard. You'll see an option to Create New Template. Click on that and you'll be taken to the drag-and-drop editor. Here, you can design your template from scratch or choose from a variety of pre-designed layouts. Want to add your logo, brand colors, or custom fonts? No problem. MailCheetah AI makes it easy to customize every detail. Once you're happy with your design, simply save it as a template. Now, every time you create a new email, you can start with this pre-designed layout. No more reinventing the wheel. This feature is a huge time saver, especially if you're running multiple campaigns or working with a team. It ensures consistency across your emails while still giving you the flexibility to customize as needed. And that's it. Creating and cloning email templates in MailCheetah AI is simple, intuitive, and incredibly efficient. Whether you're a solo entrepreneur or part of a larger team, this feature will help you streamline your email marketing process and focus on what really matters, connecting with your audience. Now, I know what you're thinking. This all sounds great, but how easy is it to use? Trust me, MailCheetah AI is designed with you in mind. Whether you're a tech newbie or a seasoned pro, you'll find the platform intuitive and user-friendly. AI analyzes past data to predict the most engaging subject lines. It tests variations and picks the best performing version for you. Bad emails cost businesses billions in lost revenue. Why waste time and money on guesswork when AI can ensure your emails actually work. Whether you're a startup, freelancer, or enterprise, smart automation is the future. Now, let's talk about one of the most powerful tools in any email marketer's arsenal: autoresponders. If you're not using them yet, you're missing out on a huge opportunity to engage your audience and save time. In MailCheetah AI, setting up autoresponders is super easy. Head over to the autoresponders section in your dashboard. Here, you can create automated email sequences that trigger based on specific actions, like when someone subscribes to your list, makes a purchase, or even abandons their cart. First, click on Create New Autoresponder. You'll be prompted to choose a trigger. For example, you might want to send a welcome email series to new subscribers. Select Subscribe to List as your trigger, and then choose the list you want to target. Next, you'll set up the emails in your sequence. You can add as many emails as you'd like and schedule them to go out at specific intervals. For instance, you might send a welcome email immediately, a follow-up email 2 days later, and a special offer email a week after that. The best part? Once you set it up, MailCheetah AI handles the rest. Your subscribers will receive perfectly timed emails without you lifting a finger. Ready to give MailCheetah AI a try? I've left a link in the description below where you can sign up for a free trial. Trust me, once you see how easy and effective it is, you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. And hey, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to IdeaPlex for more tips and tools, and ring that notification bell so you never miss an update. Let me know in the comments, what's your biggest email marketing challenge? Let's chat. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, keep innovating and growing your business. You've got this.